the reality is that no one really has 100K to put into account and just sit there,
Yeah.
you know. So
Yeah.
having access to it gives everybody the opportunity to make the money and get away from the 9 to 5. Eventually, build up the capital, and then once you've got it in there, then you can fuck the fund the challenge off and open a live account with 50 grand or something.
Yeah. Well, that's what we'll try and do. That's what we'll try and work on. I'll do this other strategy to try and get a funded account passed, and then not only that, get paid out from it, and then you know once that's proven to work, then we'll get everybody on board, and we'll try and do that. We'll try and do it where we all pass a funded. We get to X amount of dollars. You know, maybe we'll set it at like $10,000 or 20,000 profit or something like that. Maybe get to 10,000 profit, and they go, okay, cool. Now let's move that over to a live account and go live.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Well, that's what we're gonna. It's going to be a bit of a mission, but I think it's possible. I think it's possible. So
we can do it. Yeah, we can do it for sure.
100%. All right, let's get into it. We've got 3 minutes to the open. I'm gonna at the buy. I'm gonna go to the top of this wick here, the buy position.
Yep.
It is pretty choppy morning. Like it's been. Look at that. Like it's not really a nice morning. But again, man, we never know. We don't know. We can only speculate what we think's going to happen, and if we could read the markets, we'd all be billionaires. So we're going to trade it anyway.
Yeah,
we're going to trade it anyway. All right. I'm going to be looking at this area here for my buy.
Yeah.
Cool. And then on the sell, you got this zone here, but there's no real clean. Like, see how it goes on an uptrend. There's no real clean wicks meeting each other. So it's kind of just up. So I'm not too confident on that. I think I'm going to go a little bit further. If I do go there, I'll probably go on that wick there, on the bottom of that.
Yeah.
On the bottom of that wick there. Or I'm looking at the bottom of this one here.
Yeah, sweet.
So I'm going to enter that buy now, and I'll come back and look at that sell in a second. So let's get that buy happening.
Yeah. 3384.
And I'm setting my stop loss there at 3383.39.
Nice.
And then, yeah. Cool. That's how I'm setting the buy and the sell. Look, because it is moving around a bit, maybe I will come that more aggressive move just there because we got that wick there. I don't mind that wick there. It's kind of respected this level. So that one and that one are the two zones I like, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to go there.
Yes, sweet.
Yep.
Awesome, mate.
Let's get it going. Cool. 338126. And I'm setting my stop loss. I'm just going to set the stop loss pretty much where it is because if we do break this zone, I expect it to come back and attack this level here, hopefully. So I'm just going to set it pretty much there. Where is it?
Yeah, sweet.
338254. All right, 40 seconds. 40 seconds, let's go. And yeah, there's been issues, I think, as well with a lot of the funded accounts. Guys are getting entered fucking way before I'm getting entered. And I guess because we're not all using the same setup. You know, the broker I'm with, I'm on a live account with a broker. Most guys are on funded accounts. So the charts are different. Then the spreads are different. Then you get it, you know, you got simulated conditions and real market conditions. So that's different. You know what I mean? So we're not all getting the same results. And like I was saying, unless everyone's willing to go live on a live account and slowly compound it and build it and use the exact same setup as me, we're not going to get this. You're not going to get the same results that I'm getting. So that's why if the funded path is what everyone wants to go down, then that's why I'm going to trial this other strategy I've been working on. Purely just for a funded challenge, and we'll see how we go. How we go.
Love it. I love that idea.
Yeah. And it allows the strategy I'm working on. It allows for slippage. It allows for spreads. It's not so tight. You know what I mean? We haven't got tight stop losses. It's more of swing trading. The positions we will be held overnight or for a couple of hours and things like that. So you're not going to get hit as bad. You know, if you get entered early, it's not going to affect you too much. The stop losses are going to be big. So yeah, it'll work a little bit differently. But like I said, man, I'm literally going live on that right now. I've already entered the position that I'm doing, but I'm not going to do it on here. I'm just going to do it in the background. And then 2 weeks, man, I'll look what they'll have it live account sitting at, and if it looks like I would have passed the challenge, then we'll go for it. I might even get a challenge and try and pass it for everybody just to prove that it works.
Yeah. We can do it together, mate, if you like.
Yeah, sweet, bro.
Have 2 different things if it works across multiple brokers.
Yep. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that for sure. So we'll give it a couple of weeks, and then I'll invest in a funded challenge, and I'll try and pass it for everybody and see if we can. Yeah, we'll both do it together, bro. We'll both do it and see if we can pass it.
Yeah, sounds good, mate.
Happy days, man. Happy days. That's what it's about. It's just, it's about everyone winning and everyone winning together. And yeah, if the funded trading is what everyone wants to do, then we're just going to have to come up with a strategy that's going to make that work for everybody to win together. Because I hate it, man. Like yesterday, I got really down yesterday. Like it actually really fucking affects me. I don't know why, but if I take a win and everyone else takes a loss, I feel like I've taken a loss. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it actually fucking gets to me, man. Like it pisses me off because well, I'm doing all this. Like this, the whole point of this is for everybody to win. So if I'm winning and you're losing, then what's the point? I may as well just trade on my own and not have this fucking Discord or anything, you know?
Yeah, you feel responsible.
Yeah, I feel 100%. I feel 100% responsible for it. So we'll adapt, dude.
I mean, it is what it is. So we'll adapt, mate. As you said, adapt and overcome, and then we'll figure out a way. If people can pass funded challenges, then why can't we? You know, we just have to change some things, and we'll be fine.
Yeah. That's it, bro. That's it. It's just doing it differently, and it's going to be the same. So it's the same sort of thing. It's still going to be on the Tokyo Open, but we're going to hold our positions pretty much through all the sessions.
Yeah. Gotcha.
So we'll see how we go. See how it works out today, man. But yeah, like I said, the back testing, out of 30 wins, it was like 2 losses.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So, and it's a weird strategy. People be like it goes against what the norm is and what you're meant to do, like risk wise. But if the results are there, man, and the results prove it works, then fucking game on. Who cares what the norm says?
If it works, it fucking works. Who cares what other people think?
Yeah, exactly, dude. Exactly. Cool. All right. Looks like we're going to have another slow morning this morning, but that's okay. Yesterday ended up. Was it yesterday where we called it no trade? Yeah. And it ended up going right. As soon as we got off the call, it ended up hitting the TP2. Right.
I saw that. I was actually watching it and I was like, there was a lot of movement though, so I don't know whether some people might have got stopped out or not, but it did look like it was relatively clean.
Well, here it is. Man. This is annoying. This is it here. So we jumped off on this candle. This is the 1030 candle here.
Yeah.
So at the open of this candle, we gave it like 30 seconds to go, fuck it, we're all right. And then it ended up entering and then pushing to a TP1, retracing, then hitting a TP2, and then retracing the opposite direction. Yeah.
Hindsight's great, isn't it?
Hindsight is great.
I wish we had that. Like you said, man, superpower, just take me back 30 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. Like, it's not much. 30 minutes, man. It's not much.
It's so good.
Let's check something. Yeah. So just to give you a quick little insight, that's what our stop loss will be.
Oh, wow.
To do the funded. Okay. Right, that's like completely same shit, still in the open and everything, but that's what I'm going to be putting in. That's what I've got in today. Yeah. As of today, that's what I'm doing on the other account. So
it's basically swing trading at the start of the open.
Yeah, exactly. Swing trading at the open and getting at least 2 or 3 sessions of momentum.
Yeah.
You know, like for example, the Tokyo Open, we on this strategy, perfect for live trading, perfect for a live account. You're in, you're out within 30 minutes. You've made your money for the day. Happy days. Doesn't seem to be working as well for everyone on the funded. So, and we just rely on the volume to come into the market, get us in, get us out. Where the other strategy I'm working on, it's going to be momentum of the whole session. So we're catching the momentum of the session, and the London session, and potentially the New York session as well, depending. But yeah, that's what we're
depending
going
on
to be doing.
overnight holding and whatnot.
Yep, yep. And it's the same thing. It's set and forget, dude. We'll set our position, set our stop loss, set our take profit, and then that's it. Just get on with it.
Yeah, yeah, like that.
Come back the next day and look at it and see whether it was a win or a loss. Pretty much, very very easy, very straightforward. And that's what I like. That's the style of trading I like to do. I like easy, straightforward, no bullshit trading. You know, no fucking high time frames, lower time frames, fucking trying to catch bullish momentums, bearish momentum. None of that shit, man. It's just literally bang, bang, you're in, you're out, done.
Yeah, man. Trading's hard enough. You don't need to fucking complicate it.
Yeah, don't complicate it. And I think it's an issue that a lot of people do. You overcomplicate it, or you're looking for too much. Like some of the best traders, man, are dudes who don't know that much. Like they just do it nice and just keep it nice and fucking simple.
Yeah.
You know, the ones that fucking have all these indicators and all their analysis and technical analysis, and we're waiting for here and waiting for that and that, and we've got 4 or 5, 6, 7, 8 different things have all aligned. Cool, I'm jumping in. They're usually the ones that don't do that well.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, they need massive wins to be profitable.
Yeah. So anyway, I'm actually excited about it, bro. I'm actually really looking forward to it. So see how we go. 2 weeks. Yeah. 2 weeks, man. I'll tell you the result. I'm either going to go back to the drawing board, or fucking boys, game on, we're on. Let's do it. Let's go past some challenges together.
Yes, I love it. I mean, I'm fan.
Yeah, sick. Nice. Let's keep doing that. I've been banned from TikTok Live.
Yeah.
They suspended my account, yeah. But I think it might be because I was driving back from Torquay, because you got to get your time up there. So you need to do like 25 minutes a day to be able to start doing extra things.
Yeah.
So I was driving back from Torquay the other day, and I'm just went on TikTok Live and just put my phone on the dashboard so you could just see the cars as I'm driving.
Yeah.
And fucking, they sent me a violation and stopped my account for promoting dangerous things. Like, mate, it's a dash cam. Oh no, I'm like, what do you mean? It's literally just a fucking dash cam. I just put my phone there and it was a dash cam just going live, you know? So they've locked my account. They won't let me go live now for a week, and then I can try and dispute it or something, I think. I don't know.
That's fucked, man. That's like what happened with Gabby. She lost her account. She had 27,000 followers or something like that. And she's just sitting up there talking about fucking meme coins. And then they just banned it and deleted her account. And they're like, sorry, you can't appeal it.
That's insane, isn't it? That is insane how they do that, man. It's bullshit.
It's fucking bullshit, man. And you send them an email and you just get a response from the bot.
Yeah.
Fucking joke.
Yeah, you don't get to talk to anybody. You can't explain anything. You can't fucking explain your case. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Fuckers. Yeah. I might even potentially, I don't know, because it's different to what we do in this group. Remember, you know what I was talking to you guys about the other week? The 1.5% profit me and Hustle are making a day at the moment. Pretty much.
Oh, yeah.
7 days a week, bro. Like it's pretty insane.
Is it still going? Oh.
Yeah, it's still going, man. Yeah, and they've just changed over. So look, it's one of those things it's a very, very high risk, high reward thing. You've pretty much, you got to be willing to lose what you put it in. But man, we've been doing it for over a month now, and we're literally getting 1.5% every single day. Every day.
Oh, that's awesome.
So I'm considering potentially maybe, I don't want it to backfire though. Like, I don't know whether I bring it into the group, because then if something does go wrong, I don't want it to look bad on everything else.
Yeah.
So I'm not too sure work out what to do there.
Well, me and Gabby can be the guinea pigs and see how let's say if it works for another month, then we can introduce it if you like.
Yeah, well, it's up to you guys, man. Yeah, if it's up to you guys, if you want to do it. Look, honestly, Gabby's group, it will work perfect for her group.
Oh, yeah.
And she will absolutely clean up, bro. She will absolutely clean up from whoever signs up under her.
Yeah, that'd be sick.
Yeah.
That'd be good. I'll chat with her about it today.
Yeah, see if you just want to do it, man. Whatever. No stress. But
Mike, get me out of having to fucking go to work.
Well, I'll tell you now. I'll tell you figures. So in just over a month, but I've brought 2 people on. But what happens is because I brought 2 people on, I've got percentages of what they put in as well. So my account in just over about 30 days, about maybe 30, 31 days, has gone from $800 to $5,000.
Fuck.
Yeah.
That's handy.
And
it's compounding too. Because
it's compounding.
Yeah.
And my mate, put $2,000 in, and in 8 months, he just pulled out $90,000. He literally just pulled that out yesterday. Yeah. Another mate of mine's account's in at $70,000, and he started off with 2. So.
Gonna have to do it, mate.
But it is one of those things, man. It's one of those things you just don't know how long it's going to be there for. So.
Yeah, man. It could all come crumbling fucking tomorrow.
Yeah. You'd be spewing.
Yeah, but I'll chat to Gabby about it. We'll do it. Might do it today. We moved some of our crypto around yesterday to off exchanges to cold wallets and shit. So it's just sitting there. So I'd love to put it into something and get it to do some work for us.
Yeah, sweet, bro. Yeah, and it's literally you're just copy trading, man. It's literally you just do it 7 o'clock every night, and it's like done in a minute. Like it's the easiest shit I've ever done, to be honest with you. Like it's one of those things that like, hang on a sec, mate. What the fuck is the catch? What's going on here?
Yeah.
But no, bro.
Nearly become interesting.
I know, man. I don't want to do it on the last 2 minutes. But if it does, it does. Hopefully we can just stay where it is now. The only problem is we've got this level here right on our entry. It's a really nice level. So we may, there is the potential of us tapping that and then reacting.
Yeah.
But what we wanted to do, if it is going to do that, we wanted to tap it, react, and go down. That's what we want.
Right there. Yeah.
That's what we want.
That's exactly what we want.
Yeah. All right.
Fuck, look at that.
Oof. Lucky that didn't enter us.
Yeah. Ever been a big old fake out?
Yeah, that would have sucked dick. Anyway, bro, I hope this strategy I try over the next 2 weeks works, man, so we can get everyone fucking paid out on a funded account, dude.
Yeah, absolutely, man. That'd be so good.
It'll help bring everyone up in the group as well, you know what I mean? Like it'll help get everyone fucking winning together, and it'll be good. It'll be really, really good. Really good.
Yeah. I like the idea, man.
And then we've got that group funded channel, so we can use that. We can start using that.
Yeah.
Maybe even if I do that 1.5% thing, maybe if we even bring that into the channel, into the server, we can do it as a high risk, high reward channel. You know what I mean? For all the degens out there. Yeah, degens out there who want to try and just fucking make a bit of cash, but are willing to risk it, you know?
Yeah. Fucking right. Oh, well, that's degen. 100% I'm in.
Yeah, same. I'm the same, bro. Mate, hustle's the same. I just mentioned something. He's like, "Yeah, cool, man. Let's go." I was like, "How? Do you want me to explain?" Okay, do you want me to explain it to you? He's like, "No, fuck it. Come on. How much is that? All right, let's go."
Yeah, let's do it. I'm exactly the same, man. I couldn't give a fuck. I can't take the money with me. We're like Abby and I aren't having kids, so we're just gonna fucking do what we want with it.
Yeah, that's it, bro. That's it. Exactly. All right, very slow this morning, man. Very slow, just like yesterday. But we got that push at 10:30 yesterday, so I do want to stay on to at least see if we can get that push.
Yeah.
Would
I'm
have been.
glad we didn't get entered on that sell. I was so close.
Yeah, I know. I know. Look at that. I know. That's what it does sometimes, man. That's why we do the half stop loss like that,
Yeah.
because it does that a lot when it'll respect the level, but it'll pass the level and then react and then continue in the opposite direction.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, I'm glad it didn't get us, mate. We can break this level. If you can close above this level, we should be okay because there's nothing up to this imbalance here. There's nothing really up to there before we react. So if we can,
liquidity up there needs to get filled. So
yeah, exactly. There's a lot of liquidity. So if we do break this level, we should be able to get a TP1 out of this today. If we break that, potentially even higher. And I know it doesn't really mean much to our trading, but we are kind of on an uptrend now.
Yeah.
You know, when you look like this, when you zoom out.
Yeah. When in doubt, zoom out.
That's it, bro. You know what I mean? So maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, so I got my sister on it a couple of weeks ago. She's over in Bali now with her mate, and they're just doing this trade every day. It's 7:00. They're just doing the copy trade, and she's like, "Mate, I don't think I'm coming home." Because she put a fair bit in, so she's got kids and shit, so she has to come home. And she's like, "Mate, I could just do this 7:00 every night, jump on, copy that trade, make my money, and fucking game on." You know, she's doing about what's she doing? 150 US a day she's making just off that one trade. So living over there, it's pretty good. It's like $250 or something a day, $200 a day.
Oh, that's handy, man.
7 days a week.
Yeah, for doing just pressing a button.
Yeah, and it's compounding, so it goes up every week. Every week it goes 150, 170, 200, you know what I mean? 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300 a day.
I'm fucking doing it. My life's
Bro, you know what? It's so tempting. I was chatting to Hustle Williams away. I'm like, mate, I'm so tempted to just chuck like 50 grand in, but it's like, but I'm not willing to lose that.
No.
You know, and in my experience with everything, dude, just in life in general, when it comes to investing, honestly, you just always invest what you're willing to lose, man. Because I've overcapitalized and invested in shit, you know, and lost it all, and just gone, fuck, I shouldn't have done that, you know.
Yeah, I've done that many times. I think there's only been one investment that's paid off, and that was XRP. Thankful I did it.
Yeah. And it's always the way, bro. I've had way more failures than I've had successes. Like I've lost way more on things than what I've won. You know, like I've had really good.
Yeah.
I've made some really good investments, but I've also made some fucking terrible ones, bro. Where I'm just like, fuck, why did I go all in on that for?
Yeah. So I'm back at it, and you're like, am I dumb?
Yeah. Like, am I fucking stupid? Why wasn't I thinking? You know, but you learn from that, and then you're like, okay, mate, maybe I just got to analyze things a little bit longer. But you know what it is? The biggest thing? It's patience. You feel like you're going to miss out. You feel like you're going to miss out, so you're fucking all in. And then it's like, if only I just sat back, waited a little longer, watched how it worked, and then made a decision, I might not have gone so crazy.
Yeah.
And it's a massive thing in crypto, isn't it? Like people just fucking get FOMO. They're like, fuck, it's pumping. All right, cool. I'm chucking 10 grand on that. Let's go. I'm going to make $1 million.
Yeah. And then it drops.
Yeah, and then it dumps and you're like, fuck, I didn't research. I didn't do anything. I just listened to some dude on fucking Twitter who said to do it.
Yeah, literally.
This guy told me to buy. All right, fuck it, I'm buying. Let's go. It's the next best thing, mate.
Everyone buys on a green candle, and in crypto they buy on a green and they sell on a red. So they're buying at the top, selling at the bottom, and they're like, "Why am I losing money?" It's like, you got to do the opposite of what you're doing.
Yeah.
When it's red, buy. When it's green, fucking sell.
Well, you kind of got to buy when no one's talking about it. But that the problem is, the problem is, but it's in everything, dude. It's with stocks and everything too. Unless you're an insider trader, you don't know about it until fucking it's too late. And then you're like, oh, fuck, all right, this person just mentioned this. Everyone's jumping on this. All right, let's go. Like, even XRP, for example, if you bought it like 3, 4, 5 years ago or whatever, you were sweet. But a lot of people
Yeah.
are looking at buying it now, where it's at its top, where it's at its fucking peak. Everyone's buying the top.
Yeah. Yeah. Literally.
Everyone's buying, and it's same thing with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin's dead, everyone's like, "Oh, it's a scam. It's not going to work." And then when it pumps to its all-time high, everyone comes in and starts buying. Like, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
It's
Psychology is so stupid.
such a retarded way to think, man.
I
But it is. It's that FOMO of missing. It's a FOMO of missing out. It's like, fuck, Bitcoin's at 100 grand. Shit, I got to buy because it's going to go to 1 million, and then it'll dump. Where you're better off waiting for the bear market and then come accumulate everything. Wait for everything to drop and dump. Be patient. Wait for it to drop and then go, okay, cool. Now I'm going to start buying stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Come on, break this level. What are we at? 1020. We need it. If we close above here, we should be looking good. We need a nice strong close above that level, and we should be good to at least enter us into this trade and hopefully get to here, this level up here at least. Hopefully we break. Look, it's not even a strong imbalance, so hopefully we can even break that level. And
yeah,
that's our next level there. Come on. A strong break above there. Doesn't enter us, and then the next candle pushes. That's ideal.
Is ideal. My spreads are fucking doing my head in here, man. At the moment, if it enters me, like the 338.3.95 and 3384.15, that's like 118. That's like 26 cents.
26 cents. I wonder if you enter manually, man. Would it change so it doesn't enter you before you enter the trade? So, for example, when it enters me, when it comes and enters there, then you just manually enter. I wonder if that will help.
I could probably do that.
It's probably not a bad idea, bro. If your spreads are like that, then it's probably not a bad idea to actually just enter that manually, and that goes for anyone. So if anyone's on a funded account and they're finding that they're getting entered into trades before I'm getting entered on my live account. It may be worth you just entering the trade manually, because if you, I know Caden was doing that, and he was getting some pretty good results. So I think it's a good idea to just enter it manually. That way, you're gonna, if if your spreads, for example, are like 30 cents or something like that, it's gonna enter you there.
Yeah, like I think I literally just did exactly what you said. I just deleted my buy, and if I didn't, I would have got entered on that
little wick.
That little push.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if your spreads, and they'll fluctuate too, so they might fluctuate from 20 to 35 cents to 20, you know what I mean? Where mine aren't. Mine are literally just sitting at 13. They're not even moving this morning. It's literally just sitting at 13. So for example, you guys are going to get entered here. So the candle's going to come up, and when it hits that, you're in. Where I'm not. Yeah. I'm not going to get entered to about there.
Yeah.
And it's going to make a huge difference to your win to loss ratio. So if you have got big spreads, if you are using a broker, or if you're trying to do it on a funded and your spreads are quite high, then my recommendation would be enter the trades manually, and don't, so be it if it goes quick and you miss the trade, whatever it is, what it is. But if you enter it manually, you're going to avoid getting entered because of your spreads.
Yeah. It'll just mean the entry is a little bit higher than yours, but at least we're not entering early and getting stopped out.
Exactly, bro. Exactly. And you are better getting a later entry than an early entry. I know that sounds weird, but like, you're better off entering here than entering here.
Yeah.
You're better off entering on this line here, because that's probably roughly what you will. With your spreads, it might be a little bit. You might be entering around there somewhere, around here. But then that's still good, because even if you hit a TP1, you can still close there in profits. It just won't be a 1-to-1. If you wanted to get your 1-to-1, you just have to hold slightly above it.
A little bit longer.
To there, But it's better managing your account like that than just getting fucking entered every time before we've even hit it, because you do get those reactions where this candle can come here and then go back down, stop you out, then it comes back up, then I get entered and I win the move and you lose the move.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, that's pretty similar to what happened yesterday.
It's exactly what happened yesterday. And like I said, man, it fucking affects me because, like I said, it's like, well, what am I doing then? Why am I on here trying to show you guys stuff if that's happening? I may as well just be trading on my own and not even fucking have this, you know?
Yeah.
So I think if we work it out, where if you've got bigger spreads and stuff, just enter the trade manually. It's going to be hard on the UK session because it moves so quick. But to be honest with you, you probably wouldn't have entered on the UK because it was moving so quick. You would have gone, fuck, I missed the move.
Yeah.
And who cares? You would have got the sell. Did you see what happened with the sell? You would have got the sell 5 to 1.
Yeah. We got the sell. Yeah, exactly right.
And at least, yeah, like I said, at least that stops. Like it happened to Wazza yesterday, where I think it's happened to him a few times, has it? Where he's been getting entered before the entry point. So right now, you guys would be in the trade right now. You're in.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. And with me, it hasn't
You're
tapped.
Not in yet?
No, it hasn't tapped me yet. No. But you guys would be in. Plus, I'm using a VPS as well, so I'm getting like tighter entries.
Yeah.
So with my spreads, let's have a look where I'd probably enter. Probably about there. I'd expect that to enter me at that blue line there.
Yeah, so nearly there.
Nearly, yep. But it looks close, but then when you zoom out, it looks like, look at that distance, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you got plenty of space.
Yeah. So that's where I'd expect to get entered there with my spreads. Which is cool. That's good. I'm happy with that. That's a good entry.
Yeah.
All right, 3 more minutes. I am going to wait a little bit longer for the 10:30 because we have closed above that level now. I am expecting us to potentially push. If I do jump off the stream and it hasn't entered us yet, then I'll leave that position open. I'm probably only going to go for a TP1 today because we haven't been getting big moves lately.
Yeah, that's been quite small, man. TP1's probably the way to go.
Yeah, we've only been really getting small moves on gold lately. If we go back, we haven't really been getting too many big moves. So, yesterday TP2, day before TP2 didn't quite hit a 3. Fucking look at that. Jesus, look at the New York session, man, on fucking Friday.
Yeah. Look at that. Fucking berserkers. That literally broke out of a downward trend line. That's why it went up so high.
Yeah, right.
You got to zoom out to like the 15 or 30 minutes. That was literally the point of that downtrend there, and it just went fucking bang.
That's insane. That's insane.
Yeah. Has this entered you in the trade now?
Oh shit! I
don't know if it's
I'm looking at my phone. It hasn't entered me yet. Nah. Why hasn't it entered me? Oh, we're in. All right, fuck it, we're in. Oh yeah, it has entered me. So I was looking at the wrong fucking one. We're in. Let's go. I was looking at my swing trading one. Come on, push. So you entered manually, yeah?
Yeah, I did.
Good. All right, 1 minute. 1 minute to this closes. Hopefully we can get a decent push out of this. It would be a shame if we'd get faked out because there's literally nothing here. There's nothing here for it to be reacting off. So it would be, and the opportunity to fake us out would have been on this candle. So it would be a shame, but you never know, mate. You never, ever know.
Yeah, just need to keep pushing there.
We could have the institutions in this Discord just watching us.
Yeah.
Secretly watching everything.
Yeah.
Come on, 30 seconds. Let's go. Don't like that. That was yuck. Come on. What are you going to do? All right. 10 seconds to the next candle opens. Hopefully we can get a decent push. We do have this imbalance here then now that may potentially get fulfilled. So if we do go up, we may get a pull back to here to create that bottom wick and then continue up. Hopefully we don't. Hopefully we can just continue up. Let's go. Just get us to 1. That's all we want today. Just get us to 1. Oh, it's stuck in lingo. Doesn't know what it's going to do. Blue's good. Yeah, blue's good. I like that. Blue's good. Keep it blue. Keep it blue. Keep going. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Push.
Okay, sure.
Push, push, push. Four minutes is candle closes. Hopefully it can decide to continue up and not F around so much.
It'd be nice.
Just hit it. Just tap it in. Tap the zone. That's all we want. We're not being greedy. Don't want to be greedy. Just give us that TP1.
This was my entry. Not very good, I don't think. Yeah, not great. Oh well.
That's all right. Where did it doesn't copy it. Where's it? Is it probably? Let's have a look. Because your spreads are bigger as well. Is it probably like around here somewhere?
Yeah, it was like 3. It's literally right there is my entry where it is now.
Where I've got the blue line. Or where the market
it's
is.
a little bit higher.
So around here.
A little bit higher, yeah. Yeah, around there.
Spewing.
Yeah, that's all right.
That's all right, man. That's all right. It's all right, bro. I'll get this the swing trading one sorted out, dude, for everyone who's on fundeds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, good idea.
We need it to close above this week now. And it has to close above that. Come on.
Yeah. Come on. Push.
There are days like I look at my account now, I'm like, mate, I'll just close it off at this. I'm happy with that. But my rules are my rules are for long-term profitability. If you get stuck in, like, if I'd done it today, I'd do it now, but I wouldn't do it again, like maybe for like another month or so.
Yeah.
Because my account was looking really, really nice then. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's created a tweezer top. It's not exactly a perfect tweezer top. So if these two weeks lined it up nicely, I'd be very worried right now.
Yeah.
If that week was lined up perfectly with that one, I'd be concerned.
Be concerned, yeah.
To be honest, I still am a little bit concerned, but not like, oh no, you know.
Yeah.
Minute and a half. Reverse and go back the other way. You're going the wrong way, dude. You're going the wrong way. Come on. Come on, that's not what we want. That is not what we want at all. Well, hopefully it can just come respect this imbalance and then continue up. That'd be nice. If it breaks below that imbalance, it's not going to be looking too good. We may hit this resistance level that we've got marked out. We may come and respect that. But ideally, man, we want it to go back up from where it is now, create that bottom week and continue up would be the perfect scenario.
That would be nice, man.
Yeah.
Just give us what we want, guys.
No, just do what we want. So if it can create that wick now, exactly where it is now, and the next candle push up, we're good.
Yeah, I like that.
$10 seconds, next candle, come on. Well, that's definitely not what we wanted.
Definitely not what we wanted.
That's literally what we did not want.
Yeah.
Fucking motherfucker. Fuck you. You know why? Because now I have to sit here longer.
Yeah.
Like literally,
Yeah.
it's just like now I've got to sit. Now I've got to sit here longer. It's like, for fuck's sake, couldn't you've just tap that TP1 and just call it a day? Also, we really rely on that.
Oh,
We really
that
rely.
fucking stopped me out there.
Did it?
Yeah,
Motherfucker.
because of my
Spread.
the distance I had to have between entry and stop loss
Oh,
to make it
yeah,
because
because your entry was there. Damn.
yeah.
It's all right, bro. Oh, it looks like it's
going anyway.
done. Got me as well. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh, cool.
Awesome.
That was a real fucking drainer, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Fucking drainer,
Absolutely
man.
was.
Drainer. Should have closed. Doesn't matter. All good. Is what it is. I am going to leave the sell open because that's a fake out. That's a actual fake out. It didn't hit a TP1 level. So I'm going to leave my sell open.
Yep.
And I am potentially going to look at holding to a TP2 to that level there so I can end in profits. Look, this does look like now the way that close, if it closes like that, we could potentially look at moving back up, but I'm not going to enter that trade. I'm not going to enter it, man. I'm not going to sit here and try and catch that move. I'll let the move. If it goes, it goes. But yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
That's it. I'll leave the sell open and see how we go.
All right, boys.
Cool.
I will catch you all tomorrow.
Done. All right, guys.
Sweet.
See ya.
See you
Bye.
later.